In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Stripe account to your agency features so you can bill your clients for your web design services. Before you can connect a Stripe account, you must activate agency features. In this video, I'm going to assume you have activated agency features. If you're unsure how to do that, be sure to check out my video on activating them. When logged into your WebStarts account, click the drop-down in the top right and select Settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and locate the section labeled Billing Settings. Click the Connect Now button. This will open up the Stripe website where you can either log in to your existing Stripe account or create one. Stripe enables you to accept credit card payments, ACH, and other payment types from your website. If you're creating a new Stripe account, you'll need to provide your banking information so they know where to make deposits. Once you've connected your Stripe account, you'll be able to manage billing for your clients. Click on the drop-down menu in the top right and select Clients. From there, you can enter your client information. Before you can begin billing your clients, you'll need to create products. You can create one-time and recurring products. For example, you can create a product called Hourly Web Design and assign that an hourly rate. Then you can have another product called Monthly Hosting Fees and assign that a recurring monthly rate. Both one-time and recurring charges can be added to any invoice. To create an invoice, select the Invoice tab. Next, select the client and website you'd like the invoice to be associated with. Add the products you want to the invoice. For this example, I'm going to select my hourly rate and enter a quantity. Then I'm going to add my recurring hosting fees. This is the fee I charge my client every month for hosting their website with me. Because it's recurring, it will automatically be generated each month. I'm ready to send this invoice to my client, so I click the button labeled Send Invoice. The invoice has been created and sent to my client, and I now view it under the Invoices tab. From there, I can download the invoice as a PDF. I can resend the invoice. Or I can pay the invoice if, for instance, my client gives me payment information over the phone. In addition, I can void an invoice. You can see if an invoice is paid or past due. You can also see what the invoice looks like to your client by clicking the invoice number. In the next video, I'll show you how to watermark your websites. This helps ensure you get paid for your work by protecting it. So stay tuned. That's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe and visit WebStarts.com to create a free website and create your own web design agency. I'll see you in the next video.